everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, WYGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what comes in the March 2022 E.L.F. mystery bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, it's been a while since I've made an E.L.F. haul, and when you see a mystery box or bundle, I'm a sucker because you get a lot of products for a really low price and the value's pretty good. Is it risky that you'll like and enjoy the shades? It is, but I enjoy E.L.F. and $28 is very affordable, so I thought, why not? This package took forever to get here, but what I do like about E.L.F. is they have this little pull tab. No scissors are needed. Easier said than done. You may or may not notice that I am wearing little to no makeup. Well, depends on how you describe little. I'm wearing foundation, concealer, mascara, eyeliner, and a little bit of lip gloss. No blush, no highlighter, no eyeshadow, no bronzer, because I'm hoping we will get some of those items in this box and I can do a try on. Oh, it's been a while. I forgot. Their packaging includes that stuff, which is eco-friendly. It's made out of squiggly up paper products. It's messy. 1 second while I take everything out. Okay, so I didn't look-ish. I couldn't help but notice the first item I'll show. There are 6 items for the $28. So the first item that just, it's fuchsia, couldn't not see it, is a sponge. This here is the Total Face Sponge. Use wet or dry, and it seems to be the type. Ooh, super squishy. I love a good sponge. Do I have plenty? Yes, I do. Will I ever be upset if I get a sponge? No, I will not. All right, next item. What is this? Okay, so this is the Poreless Putty Primer. And, oh, I already own a Poreless Putty Primer. Do not ask me where it is. But this one says it's with hydrating squalane. Maybe that will entice me to use this one. Leave me a comment if you've tried the original as well as this one, and let me know if they're the same or if you can tell the difference with the one that's hydrating. All right, next item. What is this? It's quite heavy. Well, heavy is relative compared to the other products. This here is from their skincare line, and it's the Holy Hydration. It's a face cream with hyaluronic acid and peptides. Ooh, I've never tried anything from the skincare line, and I've heard good things about this product. So I'm actually excited, even though I own 8,000 face creams and other skincare, I am excited to try it, which is honestly why I never purchased it, just because I have so many. But I'm glad I get to actually give it a try without spending my own money. It's affordable, just, I got too many. All right, so it looks to be a white, thicker cream. Let's see. Ooh, super, this is going to sound weird. Super soft. All creams are soft, but I don't know. If you know what I mean. It feels lovely. Okay, going into the hand nicely. Oh, it does have a floral scent. Not a bad one. I wouldn't say a good one, but a non-obnoxious one. It's not bothering me. And there could even be some rose in there, but not bad rose, if that makes sense. And don't quote me on the rose. It's just floral. So if anyone's not into scents, maybe not for you. I don't mind a scent, but it has to be good and not obnoxious. All right, next item. What is this in a mystery box? Oh, I think it is an eyeshadow, because I got something from them before, and I'm like, what is this? Yes. Oh, no. Not eyeshadow. Maybe a blush? Whoa, I didn't realize they made little mini palette things for the face. This is a bite-sized face duo in watermelon. So I'm going to assume one side is blush and the other is highlighter. Let me open it up and do a swatch and get some color on my face. All right, here we have the blush, and here is the highlighter. Those are beautiful. Very soft, very subtle, but let me throw it on my face. Yes, what are your thoughts? That is a nice glow. Not outer space, but not too subtle. And the color is really good. I think my blending skills are lacking. Let me just grab a different brush and mix the two. Okay, next item. What is this? Oh, okay. For some reason I thought it was going to be like a mascara. This is the No Budge Shadow Stick in Perfect Pearl. Let's see if what they call pearl is what pearl looks like in my head. Yes, exactly. Okay, let's do a swatch. I don't know if you'll see it. It's right there. It's very, very, very close to my skin tone. It seems to click up, but it's like up really high and it's kind of dented. I think it hit the top of the cap, but this will be spectacular to get into the inner corner. I'm not used to doing that without eyeshadow on first, but hey, I don't know that there's going to be eyeshadow in this box, so let's give it a try. That works perfect for that. I wonder if it would go good as like right below the brow bone. Let's find out. Yes, that works great. Oh, I enjoy that. I think that's how I'm going to use that. Inner corner and brow bone. Okay, and then the last item, what do we have here? Looks like a lip product. Yes, this is the lip lacquer in clear. And what is a lip lacquer? Just lip gloss, or is this gonna tingle and be for plumping? It has a soft, sweet vanilla cake type of a scent. Not super strong, but it's there. Not a lot of product. I'm sticking it back in. Not my favorite. I do like this type of applicator. It's like a flat paddle. Normally these pull out a lot of product. I don't know if it's the formula or what, but I dipped in twice and still barely got anything on my lips. And it's the kind of lip product, it's not sticky, but it's thick and I can feel it on my lips. I'm sure you can feel everything, but no, like I feel it on my lips, but not because it's tingling, because it's thick. This one will probably just sit in my collection and someday I may toss it. It's not a very good first impression. But okay, let's recap everything that came in this mystery box for $28. So we got a lip lacquer, a bite-sized face duo, the hydrating poreless putty primer, an eyeshadow stick, a face sponge, and the Holy Hydration face cream. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I think you got your $28 worth. Would I pick one of these up again in the future? I don't know. I'm a sucker for a mystery box. But just with E.L.F, you could do your own haul and get everything that you wanted for about the same price point. So possibly not. I don't know. I'm going to have to look everything up. I'm going to list the value of the box on the screen. While I'm editing, I will be pondering my decision to purchase this. But to be honest, love a good face moisturizer, and I did want to try that. This one I'm on the fence because A, I don't use primers a lot, and B, I already own this like 2 times over. However, the original formula. So I really need someone to tell me if it's worth digging my little paw into this and gunking it up so no one else could use it. I'm most excited about this little bite size, and it's probably going to be $2 or $3 because the eyeshadow is at that price point. This one I'm super excited about. It is perfect, not overly shimmery, but just enough for an inner eye highlight, and it works beautifully on the brow bone. But you know, so in a mystery box, great product. Something I probably wouldn't have picked up on my own. Got to try it and I'm enjoying it. I do question the value. So let me know, what did you think of this box? Worth it or pass? Hit up a sale and do a haul. I'm leaning more towards that end of the spectrum, and I'm curious if I've said that the last time I picked up one of these boxes. Probably. Old lady brain. All right. Well, I do appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, click that thumbs up. Oh boy, does that ever help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.